Are you trying to decide between NodeMailer, Resend, and SendGrid? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these three email tools to help you find the right one for your needs. All three tools help you send emails from your applications. They make it easy to connect with users and customers, but each has its own features and strengths. Let's start with NodeMailer. This is a popular choice for developers. It's an open source library that works with Node. NodeMailer is simple to set up and lets you send emails directly from your app. You can customize your emails easily and it supports various transport methods. Now, let's look at Resend. This tool is newer but gaining popularity fast. Resend focuses on simplicity and speed. It offers a clean interface and is designed for developers who want to send transactional emails quickly. Resend also integrates well with modern frameworks, making it a good choice for new projects. Finally, we have SendGrid. This is one of the oldest and most trusted email services. SendGrid is a cloud based platform that handles large volumes of emails. It offers advanced analytics and tools for managing your email campaigns. This makes it great for businesses that need to track performance. So, what are the key differences? NodeMailer is great for developers looking for flexibility. Resend is perfect for those who want a fast, easy solution. SendGrid is best for businesses needing robust features and analytics. When it comes to pricing, NodeMailer is free since it's open source. Resend offers a simple pricing model based on usage. SendGrid has different tiers, including a free option for smaller needs. In the end, if you are a developer wanting control, go for NodeMailer. If you need something quick and easy, try Resend. For businesses focused on analytics and volume, SendGrid is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.